ready to unlock the secrets hidden within your user journeys. Let's dive into creating powerful GA4 funnels right inside Looker Studio to pinpoint exactly where your users are dropping off. First, fire up Looker Studio and hit that Create button. We're going to start with a fresh, blank report, so select Blank Report from the options. Now, it's time to connect your GA4 data. Choose Google Analytics GA4 as your data source and select the specific GA4 property you want to analyze. Click Add to bring your data into Looker Studio. Alright, with our data connected, click on Add a Chart in the toolbar. Scroll down or search to find the Funnel Chart option. Select it. Click and drag the funnel chart onto your canvas. Now, let's configure it in the chart properties on the right. Under Steps, you'll define the stages of your funnel. Click Add Step to define each stage. For each step, you'll need to specify a dimension that represents the user action, like page path and screen class or event name. Then use Include filters to specify that action. For example, to track users who visit your homepage, select page path and screen class. Then use the Includes filter to target your homepage path. Do this for all the steps in your customer journey. And there you have it. Your GA4 funnel is ready. Analyze the drop-off rates between each step to identify friction points in your user experience. Use this data to optimize your website and boost conversions. Start experimenting and discover how funnel analysis can transform your website's performance.